This video will cover how to get the right tension on a straight return loop and how to find the last loop in the previous row. First, insert your needle into the first loop of the last row. Then drape the working thread coming out of the last knot over the needle. Notice how loose the thread is. As we begin to tie the first double knot of this row, we will gently pull the needle and thread a little to the left of our work. This is how you get perfect tension for your straight return loops. To create uniform loops along the row, pull the thread perpendicular to the row or slightly towards the right. Use your fingers to lightly pinch and pull on the thread to remove slack. To find the last loop on the previous row, you can use the needle to push the work to the left, or use your hands to pull part of the lacework to the left. Now you can see the loop and the straight return loop more clearly. I hope this video was helpful, and thank you for watching. Happy lace making!